everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a review and what I think about the HelloFresh. I have seen this all over social media and just getting like emails. I always see a few of like different promotions on this brand, and I thought, why not try it out and see what I think about it and if it's worth your money. So stay tuned to see what we're gonna cook today. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the little bell down below so you don't miss out on any video that I upload. And let's get to cooking. So the first thing, when you get something like this, it's normally $60 per box, and it includes 3 different meals. So if it wasn't for the promotion, I don't know if I would have done it, just because I feel like it's a little too spendy. But again, if you are somebody that doesn't normally cook or doesn't know how to cook, this is a great way to be able to order something like this and cook, because it gives you all the details and all the steps of how to be able to make a meal. And I feel like you pay for the convenience, not necessarily for the price, because I feel like it's a little pricey. But the cool thing about it is when you do pick out the meals, it comes exactly what you need. Sometimes like a few things they just assume that you have, but I wanted to show you guys how it's pretty simple and it seems like it's pretty easy. So we are gonna be making a sirloin steak. Yeah, that doesn't look so appetizing, but anyway, I'll show you all the things that it comes with. You'll get one of these, and it has on the back the description about all the ingredients you got and just step by step how to be able to make your meal. And I just feel like this is a really good way to be able to learn how to cook, or if you're a beginner, this is just a really great way to be able to cook without thinking too much. So let's get into it. So we have gotten our steak, of our spices. You literally just get all the ingredients, exactly what you need. So these are just like other things that we'll be using. Of course, we got our potatoes, our broccoli, and our cheese. Now that we have made this really good meal, look at how pretty. Now I just get to enjoy it. This is really good. So I mean, do I recommend something like this? Yes. And the reason being, I just feel like it makes it really easy to cook. Turns out very tasty. Wow. I mean, you might not think like this is that much, or I just feel like this is a really great way to learn how to cook and just differently in general. I'll post it in the description box for your $30 off for your next 60 purchase. And if you guys have been thinking about it or just have seen anything about this, I definitely give it a thumbs up to get your next box. I just think it's a really good way to cook and be able to learn how to do it. Thank you guys for watching and seeing how I do some of my cooking, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Happy eating! Oh. Yes, I'm just enjoying my meal. It's very good. Making you hungry, am I not?